region. Today's video is going to be a Snow White theme birthday party haul for you guys that are interested in what I buy for my birthday parties for my daughters, and I will show you just in a minute. But first, please make sure you have subscribed and you will comment later on in the comment box below what you liked about the haul, and down in the description box you will find links to various things that you can buy online, as well as to my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok, and my small business Instagram, and that's my TikTok for my small business account. So let's get started to our haul. First of all, ow! Snow White, you just hit me. We'll show you the piñata. The piñata, it's a local buy, so you just find a local party Mexican candy store, and it's a huge piñata that only cost me $20 over here in California. It's a little bit ripped, but who cares? It's a piñata. Her cape here is a two-layer cape, blue and red, and as well as her bustier here, blue, and her yellow skirt, and you can see her face, and then her little black bob and her little red bow. She's a decent Snow White piñata for $20. Not that bad. She's maybe 4 feet. She's about my chest height for $20. Duper duper, because it's quite big. Piñata right there. I wanted to put her a little bit higher so she'd be. So there's that first one. The second item that is really a Snow White theme, is the little dress. This one is for my daughter Layla. She's gonna turn 3, so it's quite small. My hair is a mess. It's quite small. I did find this on Amazon. It got to me within, like, I don't know, 3 days. I do have Prime, but it got here 3 days. Her cape right here, it's a little bit different than the piñata. It's red. It's supposed to be red, by the way, not blue, but anywho. It's like blue from one side and the red is in the inside. Piñata, you're right. But this one's like that, and the little cape for the little dress is like a little mesh thing. And it does have little buttons on the back that you can take away. You can take the little cape off, but it's nice. It's a little kind of a material, like t-shirt material, and this is a tag, says Symmetry, and it has that little thing, but it really has no information whatsoever. It's just a little tag. It has nothing in here. I got it on the size 3 to 4, I believe, and on the skirt you can see it has this little mesh, and then it has the t-shirt fabric, and it has little imprints of little crowns, and they have little wordings upside down, and correctly it says lovely little princess. Look at that, lovely little princess all over. And I like these. Something's coming off. I like this kind of a dress because my daughter doesn't like bulky dresses. You can find a bulky dress, very nice, but she doesn't like bulky dresses. She likes more like this kind of a dresses. So, and I already did a photo shoot of her, and she looks pretty cute. It is quite a long side for her, but princess dress, right? I like the little thingies over here on the front. The little cuffs do have the little red ribbon to make the little 3D kind of situation. We like it. She loves it. The little red bow on the bottom. Very nice. Something that I did, you probably will check the description or somewhere in around here. I did do her cake topper. It's a very simple cake topper, but I did do it for her. For her cake, you can simply buy a very just one color cake and then put a cake topper on top of it. And then the other thing that I made that you would also find a video on it within the same video, I did her goodie boxes as well. I did buy the box in Amazon, but I did this myself. You can see it has the L for Layla, and I did got these other ones, which I got a bunch, are these plastic apples, and I did put a glittery 3 on front of it because she's going to turn 3. These ones are open, like you can put candy inside or whatever you please inside, and this could also be a cake giveaway, like a goodie bag, a goodie apple. There's that. Then I got these, and these are mostly baggies for when they pick up the candy from the piñata, and these are from the Dollar Tree. They do have another various colors, but like I told you, green and red are mostly like theme for Snow White. They didn't have blue, that's why I didn't get blue. The little baggies look like this. They do have a star cut out, and they are like this. They're paper, and it's just little foil on the outside. Inside is completely white. It's paper. And the other thing that I got were these to put in the little goodie bags. These are 18 baguettes, it's called baguettes. They're rings, and I got these to go on the girls goodie bags, because you know the 7 dwarfs were, you know, minors looking for gold, and this, at least that's what I think. So I got these for them. This one I did bought them at my local food for less. Smart and Final, so that's where you can find those. They do also have some in the Dollar Tree, but they're different. They're not like this. I got these gummies that are like ice cream cones, and Snow White. Kind of reminded me of like ice cream. So I got this yummy Gummy Candy. They are from the 99-cent store, but they were $1.99, just to say that. You know how I guess these for Snow White in Spanish, the Princess Snow White is called Blancanieves, like white snow. Snow White directly translate is Blancanieves, and Blancanieves is ice cream, so that's why I got. Moment right there. There you go. Blancanieves. I did got 2 tubs of these. Blancanieves, $1.99 each, like I told you. This one smells delicious, and they do have in different colors on the back, like vanilla, or like white, pink, and blue ice cream. Okay, the next things were these table covers. That's what I called them last time. Table covers. I got 2 in the yellow. You get those at the Dollar Tree. I got 1 in the red, because I believe I have another red one, and 1 in the blue. You get the 3 color theme for her. I'm not gonna do tables, but I will do a candy dessert table, and that's what I'm gonna be using this one for. I do also have a candy cart that my husband built for me, so I can also maybe put these in there for that. Now for the boys, like how I got rings for the girls, I got these for the boys. They're not that many, it's just my family who are coming. I just want to make them happy. I got these. I didn't find little asks, but there were 5 in here, and they are like little trumpets, and they reminded me when the little 7 dwarfs were singing with Snow White. So I got those to put on the boys' little baggies. Now I got these as well. I got those from the Dollar Tree, and I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. There are 12 in here, and they are party sticker boxes. You have these. I don't know what the sticker inside would be, and then you have these other ones just to have something else besides candy. The next things that I got from the Dollar Tree are these sour dudes, and they're sour belts. Now I'm gonna be putting each belt into little containers to put it in the candy cart. Then I got 2 pouches of these that also from the Dollar Tree, and they're like little golden eggs, and I go again with those theme for the 7 dwarfs that they were minors, so like mines. You get the point. I got 2 of these to put in there. Continuing with the Dollar Tree, I got these. These are my favorite. I almost get it from every single party or every single thing that I make for a candy table, or these cherry sour candies. I got 3 bags of them, and they are red. Of course, they remind me of the apples, and I got 3 of these. Now, these are from the Dollar Tree as well. I also got these 2 packets of chewing gum Canels. They do have all colors, green, red, white, and pink, but these remind me of Mexico, so I got these for that. And the last thing I think that is really Snow White theme is this puzzle that I will be making and putting it on the candy card as another little table center theme for this year. I'm not going to do any table centers. I'm going to be putting this as a main table center for the candy cart or the candy table. It is just, and this is how it will look. You will find this at the Dollar Tree. Look at that. It looks pretty. You can see the background is her castle and there's Snow White right in front of it. For this big bag of red vines, I did got this on my local Food for Less. These were $2 and these are the 24 ounces, I believe, 16 ounces, but it's big enough and small enough to have red vines. I didn't want to buy the big bucket from the Costco. Red, again, we go with the red theme. I also got these Krispie treats, Rice Krispie treats, and this is writable wrappers, and maybe I can put a sticker on it or a little apple, but I'm actually want these ones to go into their goodie boxes. And you can see they have 3 different flavors: the original, chocolate, and with the M&Ms, or the Cocoa Krispies is the one from here. So I like that one. Then I also got these Cosmic Brownies. This is the big pack. I did got this on my local Food for Less as well for $4, I believe. Yep, $3.99 big pack. These are 12. They're not 12. It says 12 big brownies, but I'm planning to cut it in half because they do waste, and I don't like wasting food. So I got that one. I got these from my local big Mexican candy store, and I got this big container of banderillas. This is a kind of like a straw with tamarind on it, and it's really good. I got it for that. This kind of reminded me of the axe. I'm gonna put a picture here of the little pickaxe from the dwarfs. I got these because they're just fun. Hita Sprinkles is called, and they're like the little candy inside, and they're all colors and fun in it. So I got those on their goodie bags as well. They're called Chamoy 10 pieces of Lucas Gusano. You squeeze these, and then you get chamoy out of it. And I've got 1 packet of these. These are marshmallows. They're mega bonbon con grajeas. They have little sprinkle things, and they're all of these 3 colors. I love these. They're like aesthetically really nice. There, you can find these at the Dollar Tree. They have less than what you get here. They're $1 something. This is at 40 cents, but they are 50 pieces. And on the Dollar Tree, I believe you only get 10 or 15 for the most. They're 20 pieces, and these are the portion cups. They're the 2 ounces, and this is where I put like those little red candies or the little Sour Patch things. That's where I'm gonna be putting these in there. I also got a pack of 18 of the Duvalin. This is the tri flavor with vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry Duvalines. These are like a staple thing that they usually get. I also got these. One is for me and one is to put there. It's called Jamoncillo. This is candy, soft milk candy, and I love these. This is a new one that I'm going to be putting out for the thing. They're going to fly, so I'm going to be putting 1 in a 1. There is that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be recording how I set up the table, the candy table and the candy cart, but I'll check. I'll see if I do. I also got 2 packets of changuito trozos. These are for my tostitos, my, what do you call it? I can't remember the name of it, but these are like little tamarind candy, the trocitos. They call them changuito trozos, fruit pulp pieces. Got those for that. I'm just showing you everything. Okay, now for the big piñata, I'm going to be putting these candies and kind of spread them out, the candy, into the piñata and the goodie bag because it's a lot of candy. I got 2 bags of these. 2 bags of the candy for the piñata. So this is the Recolino Paquete Diversión, and they have Bubulubu, Panditas, Cranky, Picositas, and Chocoretas. These all 4, well, they're 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are my favorite candy of all. And they look like they have other Coronado Paletas as well, which is very nice. And this other bag, I hadn't seen this one before, and it says Paquette Pinata, and they have Pica Limon, kinda, Pica 7, Limon 7, Bocati, Burburo Soda, Chipileta, and Cell Soda. These are like sour candy ones, but they do have these other ones here, this package, which is way different, and they're the sour things, and they have tamarind things, so they're gonna like it because I hadn't give those candies before. And these peanuts are covered in chile, but they're not that spicy. And these are for my tostitos, which are, I can't come up with the name right now. They have all fruits, cucumber and jicama, and the peanuts and the tamarind candies with the tostitos bags and with pig pork things anyways. And then the other thing is this donitas that I got from the Mexican store as well, and they are with snacks, chili flavor, and I think I'm gonna be putting one of these baggies into the goodie bag, so I'm not sure, but that's where I'm gonna be putting that. And the last thing is this one, which I'm gonna be spreading in those little containers, are lunetas. These are like M&Ms, but way better. Yes. And now it's all that I want to show you what I got for the Snow White theme. The things that are linkable will be linked down below, and the things that I DIY, you will probably already watch how I did it, so please check those videos out. Comment down below what was your favorite item, if you like the Mexican candies. And that is all that we have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.